You can speak English now. Imagine you're standing in a room full of people. You have a great idea. You have a story to tell. You know the words in your head, but your throat feels tight. You are afraid. Afraid of the grammar, afraid of the accent, and most of all, afraid of the judgment. You tell yourself, I will speak when I am perfect. There was a student named Leo. Leo spent years studying. He knew every grammar rule. He could write complex essays. But Leo never spoke. He was waiting for the day he sounded perfect. One day, Leo met an old traveler. The traveler spoke broken English. He made many mistakes. His accent was thick, and his grammar was simple. But something was different. The traveler was laughing. He was making friends. He was sharing his life with the world. Leo asked him, How are you so confident? Your English isn't perfect. The traveler smiled and said, English is not a cage to keep you in. It is a bridge to take you places. If you wait for the bridge to be made of gold, you will never cross the river. Build it with wood. Build it with stones. Just cross the river. Leo realized that he wasn't failing at English. He was failing at courage. English is just a tool like a hammer. You don't wait to be a master builder before you pick up a hammer. You pick it up, you make mistakes, and that is exactly how you learn. Your accent is not a mistake. It is your identity. Your broken sentences are not failures. They are your training ground. The world doesn't need you to be a living dictionary. The world needs to hear your voice and your ideas. Perfection is a trap that keeps you silent. Communication is the key that sets you free. Stop saying, I can't speak English. Start saying, I'm speaking English and I am getting better every single day. Don't wait for someday. Don't wait for the next course. Open your mouth. Make a mistake. Be proud of it. Because the moment you start, you have already won. You can speak English. Start now.